I'm going to replace the door handle on this 2002 Chevy Astro. It's extremely loose and it's hard to open. We're going to replace it. To access it, we're going to remove the inner door panel. In order to remove the old-fashioned window switch, from the inside there's a little circlip, and then you can remove the window lever. There's one up there and one down there. It's one. Here's our new one, the Doorman from AutoZone. Everything looks good. Let's reconnect the rod for the door latch. The inner door handle and outer door handle work properly. The door locks and unlocks. Let's reinstall the interior door panel. The circlip's on halfway. Once it's on the shaft, I'm just going to give it a push. I hope you guys like this video, and thanks for watching.